How can we help a non-profit with Hive? Let's have a look with a few examples. The first example is the EcoTrain community on Hive, which has 2,700 members. EcoTrain is a global Hive community gathered around the concept of natural giving, living in harmony with nature, and making our world a better place. So it's very close to the Seeds community value. Each members are voting for posts from other members. So you can see, for example, that Zish has posted an article entitled Life is a Journey of Experience, Learn and Roll On. And 44 members has upvoted his post. So the reward for the post will be $65 in Hive. 50% of this reward will be paid in Hive Power, and 50% of this reward will be paid in Hiveback dollars. So it's a very short article, one page with one picture, and nobody has answered the post yet. You can see that the biggest earning is coming from a whale called BD Voter, which has a vote. And BD Voter has probably a very big number of Hive Power. All accounts and transactions are public. So we can see that BD Voters has 1,600,000 Hive Power. So when he is upvoting a post, the reward is about $50. At the beginning, if nobody knows you, don't expect to earn $60 or $80 with a post. You will earn $0 or $1. It will take about 1 or 2 years prior you are a well-known member of the community, so that people can upvote your post. So you can see that the average rewards on the EcoTrain community is from $86 to $40. So hundreds of dollars are distributed to members every day. The natural medicines is another community that I like very much, with almost 6,000 subscribers. And you can get paid when you post about medicinal plants like aloe vera. Everybody can write a post about aloe vera, I guess. You can give the recipe for a vegetable curry and earn $8. Or you can speak about more rare plants and earn up to $50. Like in the EcoTrain community, you cannot expect to earn this amount if people don't know you. I don't know what is the rosal plant. Here is the author of the post. Again, it's a whale called Stimpy, which is contributing at more than 50% of their reward. And among the 175 voters of the post, most are giving very slow amount to the author. Clean Planet is a member of the Seeds community. And when you are collecting trash, Clean Planet will upvote for your post and you can earn $3 to $5. So if we look at the Clean Planet account, so Clean Planet has 28,000 Hive power. So when the non-profit is upvoting a post of one of its members, the quantity of Hive power do not diminish. So the members are getting richer and richer. But Clean Planet do not spend money to help people to collect trash. So this is why Hive is a very good solution to help non-profits or to help people, because you are creating value by the informations who is inside the post. And if you give $50 to a non-profit, you will lose the $50 that you are giving. But if you invest them into a Hive account, then your Hive account is keep going on increasing, and you are helping new people onboarding on Hive. More than 1 million people have already tried Steam first, which was the first version of Hive. Hive is a fork of Steam, but only 30 to 40,000 people today are using Hive because it's a little difficult to onboard and to understand how Hive Power, Hive back dollars, Hive. There are three different tokens in the community, and you have to understand how it works. So if the members of a non-profit are upvoting the newsletters of a non-profit, the non-profit can earn money by posting its newsletter. And today you can have a MasterCard or a plastic card from Binance, from Bitpanda, from Cryptos.com, and you can spend the money from your crypto account into your local fiat currency. I can make a future video about this if you request it, but there are already plenty of it on YouTube. The Seeds community already has several thousands members, but the members prefer to post into Discord, and they prefer to earn nothing, even if they have more than 100 channels in the Discord. Very interesting discussions about how to build a new civilization. Very well educated members, but today they prefer to discuss and to earn nothing with the information they bring to each others. I've been using Hive for more than 5 years now. I registered in 2016, and in 5 years, by participating to different communities and different projects, I've earned 7,000 Hive power. So today I can help new members who are joining Hive, because the value of one of my upvote is about 60 cents. The price of Hive has changed from 10 cents to $7 during those 5 years. And yesterday the value of one Hive was about $1.6. So each non-profit should open a free account on Hive and encourage its members to upvote the newsletters, and each members can upvote each others, and the community could thrive on, like the EcoTrain community, the Clean Planet community, or the Natural Medicine community. There are several hundreds community on Hive nowadays. Today, young people prefer to make video rather than to write a post. This is what Jan is doing, the founder of Clean Planet. He prefers to make videos and to post them. And few coders have developed DTube, a decentralized video platform, which is linked with Hive. And in the next video, I will explain how a non-profit can also have a big benefit to open a free DTube account. Thank you.